Head over to the Khasi Heritage Village, admire the different styles of vernacular architecture and design. Our ancestors say there cannot be a kingdom without a sacred forest, and no sacred forest without a kingdom. For centuries now, Khasi custom and traditions have been woven into the land and the forest. One of these forests still retains its significance today, the sacred groves of Mawphlang, known as Nature's Museum, a home to over 400 species and plants, at least 25 types of orchids and numerous varieties of trees. It is also one of the oldest and most famous sacred groves of Meghalaya. This forest was protected by members of the Lyngdoh clan. The forest itself is divided into 3 sections, of which only the first and the second section can be visited. At the entrance of the forest is the first group of monoliths. This is where the Lyngdoh seek permission from the deity to carry out the sacrificial ritual inside. The entrance of the forest resembles a green tunnel, all naturally formed by the branches of the trees. Inside the forest, melodious calls of birds, kisimpa kisimsong, the hum of crickets, Kyntang chit chit, Kyntang kongwe, the buzz of bees and dragonflies, and occasionally the gurgling of forest streams. The dark note above and soft humus under our feet transport us to a primeval age. As we continue to trek, we see a stone shaped like a long table. This is where the preparation for the ritual were conducted. We also witnessed other sacrificial sites where the Siam and the Lyngdoh had their meetings and new chiefs were appointed here. The sites are also marked with monoliths, still remind us of a dignified past as the forest creeps around them. Something we have never experienced before. Together with the guide, we trek around 30 minutes and listen to the stories that are fascinating, and we come across the diversity of flowering, medicinal plants, mushrooms, trees, birds, and insects. In and around the forest, the air is very refreshing and pure. Visitors are not allowed to take anything away from this hallowed forest, not even a pebble or a twig. Also visited the heritage site, and here we witnessed some of the most outstanding Khasi hut. And this site take our memories to our village where we come from. This is quite a favorite amongst local Dukansha for having refreshing Shadut and Shasau together with Pu Maloy, Pu Tharu, Pusau, Pusep, Jadok, Japulau, and many more. Overall, our experience is great.